Good morning, students. Welcome in our English online class. Students, today we will do the same chapter which we have done in our previous lesson. That is the chapter number 6, The Girl Who Hated Books. In the previous lesson, we have done the first two pages of that chapter, in which we have learned that there was a girl named Meena who didn't like to read books. Her parents bought many different types of books, but still she was not taking any interest in reading books. She had a cat named Max. That cat also didn't like to read the books. So we will now today do the next page. Okay, students, so be ready for that. Yes, one morning, what happened one morning, we will read in the next page. One morning, after Meena moved all the books out of the sink to brush her teeth, she went to the kitchen to get breakfast for herself and Max. Yes, so she went to the kitchen to get the breakfast for her and for her kitten. First, she climbed onto a stack of encyclopedias so she could reach the cereal. Now, students, do you know the meaning of encyclopedia? The meaning has given in your book. Books which give information on many subjects. So, there was a book and she climbed on that book to get the cereal. Then she opened the fridge and moved a pile of magazines to get the milk. It means in the fridge also there were the books. She poured some for herself and some for her kitten. Max, she called. Breakfast is ready. But Max didn't come. She tried again. Max, she called. Breakfast is ready. He didn't come. Now she was calling the cat for the breakfast, but the cat was not coming. Now she started to search that where was the cat? Where could he be? She wondered. She looked in the bathtub and behind the dryer. She looked under the stairs and on the top of the clock. She found more books, but she didn't find Max. It means the books were everywhere in her home. Suddenly, she heard a loud meow. She ran into the dining room and there he was. Now, student, who is he here? Max, the kitten. Stuck on top of the tallest stack of books in the house means the cat was also sitting on the pile of the book. It was made up of all the books her parents kept buying her and she kept refusing to read. Her parents bought too many books to read by her, but she was not taking any interest in reading books. At the bottom were big, shiny picture books from when she was a baby. In the middle were alphabet books and nursery rhymes. At the top, right by the ceiling, were fairy tales and adventure stories. They were all covered in dust. Because she was not taking any interest in reading books, that's why the books were in dust now. Don't worry, Max, Meena called up to him. I will rescue you, means I will save you from the books because you are in the books now. You are in the web of books, so I will save you. She started to climb the pile of books. At first, it was easy because the picture books had hard covers. That's why she could easily climb on that. And she felt as she were climbing stairs because of the hardcover of the books. But when she reached the paperbacks, her foot slipped on a book of poetry. So the poetry books were also there in between the pile of the books. She lost her balance and she started to slide. Now she was sliding also on the book because too many books were there. And they were now in a slanting position. That's why she was playing with the books. Crash! The books went flying. Very funny, na? They fell every which way. The bindings cracking open the very first time. Binding means student. We gave the books for the binding, na? Straw coverings holding the pages of the books together. So the binding was just started to crack, and because of that the papers were flying. The books were flying in the room and the pages flipping apart as they fell. Strange things began to happen. People and animals from where? The peoples and animals from the single pages falling out of the pages and tumbling to the ground. They dropped one on the top of the other, means the papers of the books, scattering the books and toppling the chairs. Now, in the room, everywhere were the pages of the books. The pages were scattering, means throwing here and there, scattered in the room. So, this happened that day. Okay, students? So, that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.